Good morning, and welcome to another episode of Math in our Jammies. Today, we're going to look at ordering pieces of yarn by lengths of shortest to longest. So, if we look at our first problem, we have the shortest string already drawn, and we have the longest string already drawn. We need to draw the missing piece. So if the shortest is here and the longest is here, we need to draw a line that's in between the two. It's got to be longer than the shortest line, but shorter than the longest line. So it could look something like this. This would be a line that is longer than the shortest line, but it's shorter than the longest line. Let's do another problem. So down here, we're going to draw all three pieces. So let's start with our shortest line. I'm going to draw a line that's really short. That's going to be my first line. Now, my next two lines have to be longer than my shortest line. So let's go to line number 2. I'm going to draw a line a little longer than my first line, but not so long that there's no room for a longer line, because my longest line has to come next. So now, for my longest line, it's got to be longer than both the first and the second line. So I can draw a line that's like this. This line is clearly the longest because it stops at a place much farther than the first line stops or the second line stops. And that is how we order pieces of yarn by terms of shortest to longest.